Hello, welcome to the Job Tracker tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to generate a moisture report. If you are not familiar with how to track our moisture probe site, please see the link to our video linked below. We are now here at the plan view for the job. Once here, you can select the clipboard icon in the top right and select Moisture Report. Then you will be brought to your task list to select between the different options. Tap on the ones that you would like and then select Next. Then you can adjust settings for your report, which include the name, orientation, and type. You can also toggle on or off if you would like to include photos, floor plans, and the task list. We recommend leaving all of these switches selected if you would like to see the timestamp history for each probe, as well as the detailed photo history in your reports. Once you have all of your settings adjusted, tap Done in the top right corner so your report will be generated. At the next screen, you will see the header, the job info, the date, our company name, etc. The spreadsheet will show the readings for our different probe sites as we scroll down. As you can see, we have our diagram here with the colored pins letting us know which are in range and which are still to be tested. If we scroll down more, we will see our task details where you can see the room drawing, room location, the history of the readings, as well as photos with the timestamps on the media, as well as any comments. If you have different readings for the probe, it will show here on the report. These reports will be shared with anyone you may have included on your project, but if you need to send this over to another individual, you can tap on the share icon in the top right corner. Here you have all of your share options, such as the email icon, as well as the option to save to files and print. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all Measure Square products.